My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the scary pop-ups and fake Chrome update alerts coming from the website Operateintenselyquicktheproduct.vip. So this is a deceptive website that claims to be Chrome update message, but in reality it's a fake Chrome update. You should not tolerate it, you should not trust these fake Chrome update messages. And keep in mind that they try to actually force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. For instance, in my case, these fake Chrome update alerts promote the browser hijacker that may change some crucial browser settings. So be very careful, don't ever install such fake Chrome update alerts and fake Chrome update extensions because, as I said, they will try to hijack your browser settings, will hijack your default homepage, search engine, and other settings too. So, in case any third-party extensions were mistakenly added to your Google Chrome as a result of such fake Chrome update alerts, this is what you should do. Access the menu of the browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. So now if you see any third-party extensions, disable and delete them. I also recommend that you additionally investigate your computer and its safety with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and begin researching and investigating your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all other possibly hidden threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.